हेलो। हेलो विजय। हेलो। 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 हेलो विजय।
Hello,
हेलो।
sir.
या विजय, हाउ आर यू?
How are you, sir?
हेलो।
Happy New Year, sir.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर विजय। हाउ आर यू?
Sir, your voice is too low, sir.
नाउ?
No, sir. I think it's my fault.
या इंक्रीज योर
Just
साउंड।
1 minute, sir. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
या नाउ टेल मी, हाउ इज योर स्टडी गोइंग ऑन?
Sir?
हाउ इज योर स्टडी गोइंग ऑन? प्रैक्टिस
Yeah,
ऑफ
sir.
इट।
It's better, sir.
So now tell me, today what we have to start? Penetration testing. It means second level.
It's third level, sir.
Web penetration testing.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, second level has been completed.
Yeah, sir.
Who has taken the classes?
Sorry, sir. I forgot his name, sir.
Okay. Great.
Actually, those classes went very fast, sir.
Okay, it means we have to start web application security.
Right, sir.
Okay. So wait only 1 minute, Vijay. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Hello. Hello, Vijay.
Sir?
Yeah. Now
Sir, your voice
start.
is too low, sir.
Okay, now.
Same, sir.
My sound is full. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Vijay, so first, if you want to start WebPT, then you have to download WebGot. Okay. First, you have to download WebGot. It is a virtual machine, and after downloading this, you have to
Sir,
install.
your voice is too low, sir. I can't hear, sir. I have here set 100% volume, but it's not able to hear your voice clearly, sir.
And here, my voice is also 100%. What I will do? Tell me. Wait, I am arranging earphone. What? One minute. Okay. Hello. Hello, Vijay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now my voice is good.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Can you hear me clearly? Hello. 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 Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now am I audible?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So now before starting this module, okay, wait 1 minute. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So before starting this module, you have to install WebGot. Okay. You
Yes,
have
sir.
to install WebGot. I am giving you a link, WebGot link, and after that you have to install it in your system. And the next thing you will do, you have to install. First, you have to create an account on Portsfigure. Okay. You will have to create account in portsfigure.net. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of this you have to do. First, you have to create account in portsfigure.net. Next one, you have to create account in hackerone.com. Okay,
Yes, sir.
these are the website where we will perform bug bounty courses. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So you have to create account in this site, and in previous classes we have completed DVWA. Okay,
Okay, sir.
vulnerabilities, but in WebGuard we will complete all the vulnerabilities. So first I will start SQL injection vulnerabilities, because in WebPT we will cover all the advanced level of SQL injection. Okay, SQL injection vulnerabilities. After that, many more vulnerabilities we will cover in this part. Okay. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So wait. Yes. Now, uh, first, before starting the SQL labs, or you have, if you want to start the SQL, so first I will explain you briefly how can you do SQL injection. There are many types of SQL injection. All the things we will cover in this part. So before this, first tell me what is the query to find the website which are vulnerable through SQL. Please tell me what will be the query to find the website which are vulnerable through SQL injection, or here we can find the website
So site colon, are you asking that, sir? Site colon dot in.
site column dot in.
Hmm. SQL, yeah, that's on the PHP
Yeah,
question mark.
id
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to. Okay, after
Yes,
that
sir.
you can use in URL http. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
here there are many websites. There are many websites. So first I want to open this one website. Okay,
Yes, sir.
have you performed SQL injection in this website?
What, sir?
Have you performed SQL injection in this website?
Hmm. No, sir. I think not.
So first share your screen. Okay, after
Yeah.
that do this. I will help you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, share your screen first.
Just a minute.
Yeah, and yeah, open this. Yes, type site column comma. Yes,
It's dot in, sir.
yeah, dot in.
Dot space in URL
Yes, in URL
PHP
question mark id is equal to
space
in
in
URL http.
HTTP. Right, sir?
Yeah, in URL http. Yeah, open it.
Which one, sir?
First one website. No, not this one. Site column dot in your PHP question mark id is equal to make it.
Right, sir. Right, sir?
Yes. Today your network is not good.
Yes, sir. 53%. Then. Hmm. First link, sir.
Yes. Do this and find the database and username and password. Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
am giving you only 10 minutes. Okay. I have also sent you a PDF of SQL injection in ethical hacking.
Ethical hacking, right, sir? Yeah.
Yeah. So you can open it.
Yes, sir.
After that, do this, and because website application testing will be only bug bounty part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we will always start testing on live websites.
Okay, sir.
Vijay, in question mark ID is equal to 5, you have to try it, okay? Not in this page. Go back here, again, go back. Yes, in this parameter you have to, no, 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 no,
ID
no.
equals to 5, right, sir?
No, 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 no. Good, good. In first open this one website. First one website, open it,
Yes, sir.
and after that, yeah, in this parameter you have to try. In this page, you will have to try. Okay, okay, Vijay.
Yes, sir. What to do, sir?
In this parameter, you have to try. Is this vulnerable through SQL or not? Okay. First, you will use here single quote. Single quote. No, don't remove anything. ID is equal to 5. After that, single quote. Hit enter.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
error, sir.
Here you have an error in your SQL syntax. Then after that, balance this query. Okay. And now do that. All the things.
Sorry. What you have said?
And to balance this query, use hyphen hyphen plus. To balance this
Yes.
query, use hyphen hyphen plus. Now in this field, you will use here order by command. Okay. To find the columns, and after that vulnerable columns, after that table.
Sorry, just teach me once more, sir. I will try it in another website and do it
Okay,
tomorrow,
okay,
sir.
okay. On another website, I will give you only see only for 5 minutes. I am sharing my screen. Okay.
What, sir? Hello, sir.
Stop your sharing. I am sharing my screen, and after that, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you see my screen clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now see here. This one is a website.
Okay, sir.
This one is a will be parameter. Question mark ID is equal to 5, 6, anything. Then what you will do? First, you will use single quote. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hit enter. After hitting enter, you will get this error. If you are getting any error, or if any website page has been disabled, or any changes, if you will find in any SQL website, then you will do SQL injection manually testing. So see here, this one is a single quote. After that, use hyphen hyphen plus. Hyphen hyphen plus is used to comment this query. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hyphen hyphen plus is used to comment this query. Comment this query, it means you have to balance this. Hit enter. After hitting enter, again, you have an error in your SQL sentence. What happened, bro? Remove this. Yeah. Now you can see that web page has been loaded. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here, first command I will use order by command. Order by command is used to find the number of columns. So I'm going to use order by 10. I will check it. Here see unknown column 10. It means number of column is not 10. I will use here order by 6. No, 6 column is also not present. Now I will use here order by 5. Then here you can see that number of column in this website is 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Order by command is used to find the number of columns in website. This is manual testing, not tool based testing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you want to use tool based testing, then you will use SQL math. After this, I will also tell you how can you use tool based testing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here order by 5, it means number of column is 5. Now what I will have to do, I have to find the vulnerable columns. This is a live website of India, and this website is located in Vizag, Visakhapatnam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first ID is equal to 5. Now first I will use here union select. This one command I will use union select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I'm going to use this one? This command is
Selecting
used
5
to find,
columns.
yeah, to find the number of vulnerable columns. When I hit enter, sorry, I have to first wrong this query. Hit enter. then you can see that second column is vulnerable.
Yes, sir.
So go in the second position, type here database, and when you hit enter, then you can see that the database name is this one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
database name is this one. Good.
Yes,
Now
sir.
here you have to find the number of you have to find the tables. After that you have to find the columns, and after that you will get the username and password of this website. But how can you do this? How can you do this? So first I will use here, in the place of second I will use many commands. So see here, I have a txt file where all the commands has been written. Okay,
Mm.
this one command I will use. First I will use group concat table underscore name.
Yes, sir.
Copy this one, paste it, union select
Yes, sir.
one comma group underscore concat table underscore name. See here, and after that what I will use here, I will use here this one command again, from information underscore schema table underscore constant. Okay,
Okay, sir.
are you understanding or not, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hit enter. After hitting enter, you can see all the number of tables, all the name of tables. Now tell me which table contains sensitive information. Tell me.
Login IP, sir.
Login IP again, admin. First I want to use admin. After that I will
Okay,
use
sir.
login. Okay. So now I am going to find the number of column. So I will use this one command first, group concat column underscore name, and go here, and after that in this place paste it, give comma, group underscore concat column underscore name comma 3456. Now after that you have to erase all the things and write the table name. What will be the table name? The table name will be admin, because
Admin.
I want to find the information in through admin. Okay, so use this one command, from information ye this one. Now okay, after that hit enter. When I will hit enter, then I will get all the number of columns, sorry, all the name of columns. So first column is enter underscore id, second one is the user underscore
User
id,
ID.
third one is the
Password.
password, next one is the type, and next one will the status.
Status.
Now here I want to extract the user id and password. Okay,
Okay, sir.
here I want to extract the user id and password. Okay, don't see anything. Copy this one and go here, and in this bracket paste it, and I want to separate this. So I will use here 0x3a. 0x3a is used to separate this. Okay, user id and password. This is a URL encoding value. Okay, and I
Okay,
want
sir.
to extract the information from admin. So I will remove all the things, and I will only type here from admin. Okay, and when I hit enter, then I will get the user ID and password. But this one is not password. This is the encoded value. Now decode it. Now decode it. I am sending in your chat box. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am sending in you in your chat box. Now decode it. And after that, give me what is the password. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And one thing, this part has been completed in cryptography, so you have to decode it. And after that, I will give you a website, and after
Okay,
that,
sir.
find the database name, all the things you have to find. Okay. So now I'm going to mute from my side. Now decode it, and one website I will also send you. The website is here. This one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This one website I will send you. Now go check your chat box and now do this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm going to mute. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Wait.
Hello, sir.
Is this your screen? First,
Sharing, share my screen, sir.
yeah. Share your screen. I want to see this. What are you doing? Okay.
Just a minute, sir.
Share first. Yes. Now do that.
Hello, sir.
Vijay, without
Yes.
single quad, run this query. First,
What, sir?
remove single quad. Yeah. After that, do this. Is it working or not? Now we hit enter. Yes. Now see this. Is it working or not? It means number of column 10 is percent. Now do.
It's showing the same page, sir.
No, you are not entering right command. Do
I have
this
order by
first.
right, sir.
First, what query it will run, you have to do this, and after that, yeah, first remove order by anything.
What, sir?
First, remove order by 3,
Right, sir.
and after that, see what will be the command where you can run the SQL query. Okay, single quote is working or not, hyphen hyphen plus is working or not. You have to see this. Yes, first use single quote.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now
It's
here you can see that yes parameter. Now comment this query.
what, sir?
Now comment this query.
This one,
Comment
sir.
this query. No, no, no. You have to comment this query. Comment this query. It means you have to close this query. After 59 single chord, you will use hyphen hyphen plus space.
Yes, sir.
Why are you removing single chord?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, first use single chord and
Hyphen
after
hyphen
that
plus.
hyphen hyphen plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
and
sir.
hit enter. Uh, now yes. Now after that in yes use order by command.
Remove hyphen, sir.
Yeah, now try to find the columns. No, don't remove single chord.
Okay, sir. Ordered by
Order by command, order by uh, use order by 100. Is it working or not?
100.
Yes, it means number of 100 column. 100 column is not present. 100 column is not present. Now use
Yes, sir.
order by 10. Order by 10. No, 10 column is also not present. Now order by 8. No,
Not,
8
sir.
column is also not present. Order by 6.
6.
86.
86 I
No.
got it, sir.
Yes, 6. 6, 6. Yes, 6 column is present. Order by 7. 67. No, 7.
7. Not, sir.
No.
Order by 6.
Number of column in this website is 6.
6.
Okay. Now find the vulnerable column and Yes. Union select. Command is wrong. Vijay. Union
Yes,
select.
sir.
Union select. No unique select.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yeah. Now I am going to mute on my side. Okay. Now do this.
Sir, how many spaces, sir? Is there a space we need to? Hello, sir.
Use minus. Use minus before 59. Yes. Use minus before 59.
Minus
Yes. Now hit enter. Yeah. Now do that.
2, sir. Is that right, sir? ITG digit
Hmm?
underscore the classic.
Union select one comma database. Yeah. Do that. Yes. This one is the database name. Now find the user ID and password. Okay. Now I am giving you only 5 minutes. Okay. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can.
Now we need to enter find the table
Yeah.
name in this database, right, sir?
Yes. So now go and see the command.txt file which I have sent you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
do that.
Hello, sir. Sir. Hello, sir.
Union select. Do fast, Vijay.
Sir, I think that file is being transferred to my Windows OS,
Okay,
sir.
I am sending you in your Gmail. Okay, check it.
Yeah, right,
Right.
sir.
Vijay. Email ID Vijay. VI.
VJ, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, Vijay Roshan. Okay, okay.
VJ Roshan 24, sir.
Yeah, 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 yeah. PDF. Hmm. Command.txt file. Yes. Open it. Now see your mail. Okay, and after that do this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Check it in your spam. Check it in. Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now
About.
copy all the things. Copy all the things. Control A and Control C, and paste it in a leaf pad or notepad. Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, only copy this one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because all the things you can't see. Yes. Copy this and paste it in leaf pad, and after that see. Yes. Do do fast.
Yeah. Sir. Hello, sir. Sir?
Which, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Here there was no admin, sir. Which one I need to try,
Admin,
sir?
then
Login.
yeah, log in. Do this. It will totally depends on your skill. What do you want to use? Okay, in the table field.
What, sir?
It will totally depends on your skill. What you will guess. Log any sensitive data present in login field or any field. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
in
I
that
am
field,
trying login, sir, here.
yeah. So go in login field. Use this. This one is also a live website. Okay, and this one a live website of India. What happened there? You will have to use login, login in login page. Yes,
Yes, sir.
where table underscore name is equal to login.
Right, sir.
Login.
Here, sir.
Yes, login.
I have tried it, sir. Login.
No, you are using a wrong command. Any
Wrong command.
spelling mistake. Match it from
What,
command.
sir?
Spelling is mistake. Information.
LOGIN, sir.
Yeah, you have used it double. So this is not working. Match it first.
Which one, sir?
Match it because you have typed information underscore group underscore contact 2 times.
This one, sir.
First match it all this. First copy this command and paste it in a leaf pad. After that, yes, copy this and
First, I am copying this, sir.
yeah, and go in leaf pad and paste it and see what is the mistake. Yes, see here what will be the mistake because you are using 2 times group underscore concat column underscore name, group underscore concat column underscore name. It means
Here,
2 times. Yes,
here you are saying, sir.
yes, this is 2 times.
Here it also 2 times, sir.
2 times.
Here also same 2 times, sir.
1 second.
The comments you have sent, sir.
I have to see it. Okay, wait. Mm,
Delete one thing, sir.
yeah. But
Here
here,
into delete from
why
information
here?
underscore schema dot columns is be the correct.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I am sending in chat box. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but in my system it is only 1 time. Yeah, see here.
Yes, sir.
Now do this.
Yes, sir. Here username, password, and role. Finding username and password, sir. Zero,
083 is used. Okay, sir. Union select one comma place. Why are you using uname and password?
Yes, sir.
Why are you using uname and password? First go back. What will be what you have found after this one command? Go
Right,
back.
sir.
Yes. Again go back. Yes. Here you have to use username and password, not uname password. Okay.
Right, full, sir. Username.
And password. Yes. Type it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Type it. Username and after that password.
Okay, sir.
Username, password.
In cap, sir.
No, no, no. In a small, you can also do this. And Vijay, wait only 5 minutes. I'm going to take tea. Okay.
What, sir?
Wait only 5 minutes. After that, I will again start.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to take tea. Okay.
கீழே போய் காப்பி எல்லாம் குடிச்சிட்டு வந்துதான் வேற ஒண்ணு என்ன நம்மளே படுக்க மாட்டோம். காப்பி எல்லாம் குடிச்சிட்டு வந்துதான் படுக்கணும். சும்மா 4:10 சொல்லிட்டு அவளை எனக்கு ராமச்சந்திரன் பண்ணணும் வேடி சரி பரவாயில்ல பரவாயில்ல உங்க பிள்ளை வந்து திண்டுக்கல் போறதா சொன்னேன். 3 நாளைக்கு வெள்ளிக்கிழமை செவ்வாய் புதன் வியாழக்கிழமை வெள்ளிக்கிழமை நம்ம இன்னைக்கு சாயங்காலத்துக்கு போற அதெல்லாம் புதன் வியாழன் அதாவது இப்போ டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. இது வரைக்கும் சேல்ஸ் மட்டும் போயிருந்தாங்க. இப்போ கமிஷன் போயிருந்தாங்க. சேல்ஸ் ஆகிட்டு எந்த கஸ்டமர் எங்கெங்க இருக்கான்னு உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறது. இதே மாதிரி பேங்க்ல ட்ரெயினிங் ஒன்று இருக்கும். அது எப்போ மூணாவது தான் இருக்கு. படுத்து இருந்துச்சு வாயிலேயே கோப்படிச்சுட்டு இது பண்ணதான் ரிலாக்ஸா பேசணும். அது எப்படி தூங்கி இருந்தாலும் அது நான் உள்ள அங்க போயிட்டு நேரம் ஆக ஆக ஆகதான் நீ துணி எடுத்து அப்புறம் உள்ள எடுத்து போடுறேன் போனா முடிஞ்சிச்சா கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சிச்சா? ஆமா அடுத்த வருஷம் ஆமா அடுத்த செவ்வாயாவது 13ஆம் தேதி அமாவாசை பார்த்தோம். இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தேன். மறுநாள் பொங்கல் மாசப்பருப்பு எப்போ மாசப்பருப்பு முந்தினா பின்னாடி வரும். அதே மாசம் 3 நட்சத்திரமும் இன்னைக்கு மத்தியானம் 8 மணிக்கு மேல வந்து செவ்வாய்க்கிழமை இன்னைக்கு 8 மணி வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. அதனால விளையாட வாங்கி நீங்க இல்லை நாங்க வந்து செவ்வாய்க்கிழமை செவ்வாய்க்கிழமைக்கு அதை தேடி கொண்டாடுறோம். நீங்க வந்துருங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொன்னோம். அதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் பார்த்தா அதனால எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வந்து அதனாலதான் நம்ம அவ்வளவு பஞ்சாபெல்லாம் பார்க்க மாட்டோம். இன்னைக்கு அனுமதி தேதியை பார்த்து மாமி ஊருக்கு போறேன்னு என்ன பார்த்தா மாமி ஊருக்கு போறால அப்ப எப்படி இல்லைங்கிறதுக்காக பார்த்ததுல இந்த புதன் செவ்வாய்க்கிழமைன்னு அனுமதி தேதி புதன்கிழமைக்கு அமாவாசை வியாழக்கிழமைக்கு மாச பரப்பு எல்லாம் வரிசையா இருக்கு. ஆமா கூடாரோடிக்கு 500 ரூபாய் சொன்னா அம்மா 500 ரூபாய் தரேன்னு சொல்லிட்டா. கூடாரோடிக்கு சக்கரை பொங்கல் போட்டுருச்சு. எப்படி நாங்க இருக்க மாட்டோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். கூடாரோடினாலே வந்து 27ஆம் தேதி அவ்வளவுதான் அவ்வளவுதான். ஆமா 500 ரூபாய் தரேன் இருக்கடி. ஆமா 500 ரூபாய் சொல்லியாச்சு. ஆமா பிளேட்டர் வாங்கி கொடுத்துருவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அங்க வர முடியாது. நாங்க எப்படியும் அன்னைக்கு வந்து உங்களுக்கு கூடாரவள்ளி வந்து 27 27ங்கும் போது இன்னைக்கே 21 இல்லையா? இன்னைக்கு 21 27 ஆமா. அதனால நான் வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை சொல்றேன், ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை இன்னைக்கு காலையில போறோம். சீக்கிரம் கோயில் அடைக்கணுங்கிற சிச்சுவேஷன் இருக்கிறதுனால சீக்கிரம் திறக்கணும், சீக்கிரம் கோயில் ஆமா. ஆமா. இதெல்லாம் வச்சாச்சு இந்த மாசமே வருதானே? எப்படியா போன தடவை பிப்ரவரியில 7ஆம் தேதி வந்தது. நான் கூட லீவ் போட்டுட்டு வந்தேன். இந்த தடவை வந்து போனாவோட கல்யாணத்துக்கு நாள் வெடிக்கு வருது போது 27ஆம் தேதி உங்களோட கல்யாண நாள் மாதிரி வருது. ஜனவரி 27ஆம் தேதி விஜய் வந்து ஓ சரி சரி. ஆமா. சரி. சரி சரி சரி. என்னமோ விஜய் வந்தப்ப சொன்ன அங்க வந்து சொன்னாங்களா? அப்ப சொன்னேன், அம்மா வருஷாட்சியம் போன தடவை போனோம் இல்லம்மா, இந்த தடவை வருஷாட்சியம் 27 என்னன்னு தெரியல. அவ்வளவுதான். இதே கொஞ்சம் இந்த பெருக்க ஆரம்பிச்சாச்சு. நமக்கு அடுத்தடுத்து வேலைதான் போறமே. நான் படுக்கணுங்கிறது இல்லை இன்னைக்கு செய்வேன். பரவாயில்ல மேம், இதுல என்ன இருக்கு? எப்படியும் அடுப்பு எடுத்துட்டு நான் ஒண்ணும் போனா 4 மணியே தான் கட்டிட்டேன். நான் ஒண்ணு அப்படி கட்ட போட முடியாது. அவங்க 4 மணில இருந்தே நெய்ட்டு தான் இருக்கா. அம்மா 4, அம்மா 4, 5, அம்மா 4, 10 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டே. அதனால ஏன்னா இப்ப கோயிலுக்கு போகணும் இல்லையா? அப்படியே இருக்கியா? அதுக்காக நேரம் கூட கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஒரு 4 மணி 5 மணிக்கு தான் படிக்கும். ஆமா, செவ்வாய் மட்டும் அது ரெகுலர் அபிராமி வந்து விடல. மார்கழி மாசம் இருந்தாலும் ரெகுலர் அபிராமி இருந்தாலே விடல. அது எப்போதுமே ஒவ்வொரு செவ்வாயும் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா?
Hello, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what will be the password of this one, which I have sent you in chat box?
Is that 735, sir, or is the full username?
No, not this one. The decoded value of 25A41C is in your chat box.
What's that?
First, see your chat box.
Sir, can't hear clearly, sir.
Now, 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me what was the password of the previous website which we have tested. Website of Vizag.
Just a minute. This one, sir. Hash.
Yes. 25A41C. Yes, this one. What will be the decoded value?
This one.
Ah,
25.
Yes, decode it.
ஓரளவுக்கு இருக்கு. ஆமா ஆமா இன்னைக்கு நான் போறேன் அன்னைக்கு விட்டே தெரியல அப்படியே போட்டுருக்காங்க சாப்பிடும்போது எல்லாரும் கேட்கறதுன்னு வச்சிருக்கேன்.
And Vijay, this one is only basics level. After that, we will cover the advanced level of SQL engineering. Okay?
What, sir?
This one is basic level. So
Okay,
after
sir.
that, we will cover the advanced level. Okay, so you have to see this carefully because in bug bounty course you have to complete it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. First do this. First you have to analyze. First you have to identify this hash. Yes, yes, this one. Good.
This one, sir. Isaac at 123.
Good one. Good one. Yeah, this one is the password.
Password.
Yeah. So now I'm giving you some websites you have to test at your home. Okay.
What, sir?
I will give you some websites you have to
Okay,
test
sir.
at your home. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
And because after that we will cover the advanced level.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
You can also find some websites. Okay. But I will
Okay, sir.
1 minute site. You have to do this. Oh, 1 minute. Have you DBWA in your Metasploit?
What, sir?
DVWA, Damned Vulnerable Web Application, which we have completed in ethical hacking.
Yes, sir. But I don't know if whether
This
since
one,
my virtual
this
machine
one
or not,
only
sir.
you have to add it. And after adding this, you will have to open DVWA.
எடுத்ததோட போயிட்டு வந்துடலாம்டா.
No, sir. I think DVW.
No, no, no. First one in Metasploit table, DVWA is already installed. Start it first.
பாரு, நமக்கும் தூக்கம் வர மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு.
Yeah. Show me the IP address.
MSF admin, right, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. IF config.
Next one, sir.
IF config to check IP address.
IF. Yes, sir.
Yes.
IP, sir.
Enter. 43.112. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
open this in your browser.
Yes, sir. It's open, sir.
Open. Now open this. Username
Password,
admin,
sir.
password.
Admin,
Username
right, sir?
admin and password. Yes, PAWSWRD.
What else, sir?
PAWSWRD, password is password.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now open SQL injection. Yes. First,
Which one, sir? Blind or
no. Wait 1 minute. First, go in DVWS security. WS security. Click it high to low. Always you will do low. Submit it, and after that, click on SQL injection. And your work is you have to complete this lesson.
what, sir? Which one I
You
need to
have,
complete?
yes, you have to complete this lesson of SQL injection. How can you find this vulnerability? How can you get the database name? All the things you have to do in this part. Because SQL injection is
Sir, not
very.
getting clearly, sir.
Wait 1 minute. I am telling that you have to complete this SQL injection vulnerability.
Okay, sir.
And after that, the same thing you have to do. Union select, all the commands will run same to same as usual. Okay.
I need to find this user ID, sir.
No, you have to solve this lesson of SQL injection. Okay, this website is vulnerable through SQL injection, and here how can you find the database name and how can you find the user ID and password? It means
Of
user.
this, sir. Right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay,
Username and
sir.
password you have to find. And
Sure, sir.
yeah, the input field is only this one where
Yes, sir.
cursor is blinking. Okay,
Okay, sir.
only this one is the input field. You will not use anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this one is your homework, and again, again what I will do. And first one thing you have to create account in Portsfigure. Okay, and after that
Which
at
website, sir? Just tell
Portsfigure,
me.
portsfigure.net. Open this port. No, port. Portsfigure. It is given by Bubsuit. Bubsuit is given through Portsfigure. Okay,
Port figure.
Swigger. Portsfigure. SWPORTSWI.
Yes, WI.
WGER. Yes, enter. This one.
This one, sir.
Yes.
And another one, sir.
And you have to log in it. And again, another one, hacker
And
one.
next one.
Hacker one. HackerOne. This one is website which is made only for bug bounty program. HACKER. Hacker one.
Hacker one.
Yes. First, enter. And this one, yes.
Yeah, okay, sir.
This one is a bug bounty websites. Okay. And
Yeah,
here
sir.
you
Log in
have,
with my
yeah, with
my
your
mail ID,
personal email
sir.
ID. Yeah, main email ID. Because in interviews, if you are going to do interview or give interview, then you will have to perform or you have to show all the things. You will have solved the hacker one and word speaker also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do fast, and after that, first you have to log in it, and from tomorrow we will start next topics. Okay, but next topic is only first SQL injection, because SQL injection is very big part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first
Okay,
practice
sir.
all the things, and you will also find some websites which are vulnerable to SQL. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So now if any doubt,
No, sir.
okay, Vijay. So do
Sir,
all
which one I need to download, sir? You have said one thing to download.
WASP WebGot,
What, sir?
WASP OWASP.
OW?
ASP OWASP. ASP. Okay, I will send you in your chat box. Sorry, in your Gmail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And one thing, first type it OWASP. OWASP.
Yes, sir.
P for pen. Pen. Top 10. Space top 10. No. Good. OWASP. In your chat box.
Sir, you can send me an mail, sir. I can't able to hear clearly, sir.
See in your
The
chat box.
voice is okay, sir. OWASP.
Top 10.
top 10.
Because this vulnerability you will have to test it and you will have to remember all this vulnerability. WASP top 10. Yeah, this one. Yes, all this vulnerability you will have to remember it.
Yes, sir.
But all of this vulnerability you will have to test in live websites and dummy websites also.
Yes, sir.
And you will have to also remember what is injection, what is broken authentication, sensitive data exposure. You will have to remember all the things. So these are some
Yes,
homework.
sir. Okay, sir. I'm
Yeah,
clear,
these
sir.
are some homeworks. You will have to start it. And you have any doubt, then you can tell me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And tomorrow I will send you link again. Okay. Now any doubt?
No, sir.
From tomorrow we will continue.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vijay. And practice all the SQL injection chapter. And also try to find some live website which are vulnerable through SQL injection. So these are the homework. You will have to complete it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now thank you, Vijay.